Welcome back to the Bella Project. If you're new here, appreciate you joining us. And we are taking a 1980 Yukon Delta houseboat, turning this River Queen back into her former self, with a few extra added touches. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this week's episode on building the front pilot house wall. This is a view I think I'm going to enjoy. Wake up, grab some coffee, and just stand and look out. Everything to come. Trips down the river, up the river. We plan on exploring all of it. I think that'll work. We're at 7 1 1/8. Okay. So that door's 30 inches wide. Or, excuse me, 25 and a quarter. So the plan is to have some 2x4 uprights. Doing that mainly for the door frame purpose. Hey, stick around to the end. Our shipyard supervisor gets a little office upgrade. Almost need a stool. Yeah. Give us nice airflow. Still be able to see out plenty. Probably use a screen door right here. Well, guess I ought to reconsider my width then, because we're not going to be the right height for a standard screen door you'd buy. We'll just custom build it. Might just set my 2x4s right here. Basically what I'm talking about is we'll set our 2x4s right here. That'll actually open the door up. That might be handy just in case we want to bring in a refrigerator or maybe a cooler. A wider door might be better. We might go ahead and open it up to where we get 30 inches. Problem is, I think right here is perfect because from here to the wall, we have 24 inches of width for a bench. Say one thing, it's heating up out here today. Apologies if my hair looks all messed up. Not that y'all really care. Hopefully by now y'all are here for the boat building, not me. Really need to get a thermometer in here and measure how hot it gets. 80 inches. All right, that's pretty plumb. Check it with a tape measure just to see if we're getting about the same. Whoa. Yeah, we got to square that up real quick. Okay. Have to use some scrap wood to get this squared up real fast. This is wanting to move back and forth. Okay. Sure, you will hear me say this once, twice, 3 times, 30 times. Good enough for this boat. I think what it is maybe we're just enough out of level, or me standing here is kind of putting flex. Basically just took out a 1/4 inch, just enough to keep it locked in side to side. Then that right there gives us the cut we need in the top. I like that. Nice. Got plenty of shoulder width. You don't have to come through at a side. Definitely be able to have some nice evenings on the boat with sitting out here, being able to have the screens in the windows and feeling the breeze on the nice fall evenings and spring evenings. And again, if you're new here, we're planning on putting an air conditioning on here, 24 volt. That way we can power it with house batteries, no inverter. You lose efficiency through an inverter. And whenever the solar is working, should be able to make our batteries last a lot longer by simply running the AC high enough so that we're not drawing that much load, and possibly we'll have enough solar on here that we can completely run it during the day, still have our batteries charged, be able to provide cooling at night whenever the sun goes down. And like I said, we'll insulate it, so we're not going to be using just raw fiberglass walls or plywood and fiberglass. There will be a little bit of insulation, not much, but about 1.5 inches. Yeah. Here we go. Looks pretty good. Like it. We'll run some 2x2s down here to run over, tie in to 2x4, and we'll run some more 2x2s down here on these sides. That way we can get it all framed in. All right, folks, we were gonna run this 2x over, give the bottom of the window support. I was gonna notch this 2x4 right here for the 2x2, but I don't really want to create a weak spot, so I'm just gonna butt that up. It'll be plenty strong for what this is. We're gonna come in and notch this maybe a 1/2 inch just to give it enough to tie into and kind of lock in place. Are you guys enjoying the video? You have any suggestions on what we could do differently? Drop it in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. We're kind of winging this, if you couldn't tell by now. Just go with what feels right. That's the way we like it. All right. Get our other one right in there. And well, at least all the snow's gone. Better get to work. All right. Looks like we're getting closer to the fit that we want. It's approved.